Hello, good morning everybody. Welcome back to our online classes. In previous lesson we start the first lesson which human circulatory system. Okay, I hope everybody understood that topic. So today we start the next topic of this lesson. Okay, yesterday we see about the functions of the circulatory system. So what are the function? I again repeat within the 2 minutes. Function of the circulatory systems. So you listen carefully. First function, transport of the oxygen and nutrients to our parts of the body. Okay. So again it helps to transport the number of the minerals and vitamins to our body. It also regulates the body temperatures. It's also one type of functions, and also it protects the body from infections and germs. And last function, it helps in the blood clotting. Blood clotting में भी वो help करता है. Okay, so that's today's we start the organs of the circulatory system. Next topic, organs. Organs of circulatory system. Organs of the circulatory system. So in the circulatory system the three main parts are included, which heart. Okay, first part heart, then second blood vessel, and third blood. So these are the three main organs of the circulatory system. Circulatory system में three main parts, and it helps to circulate the blood in our body. So each learn one by one now. Okay, so today first we start the first organ, heart. Every know heart is the main part of our body, है ना. हमारे बॉडी में मेन पार्ट है हार्ट. ओके, अगर हार्ट बीट अगर थम गए, रुक गए, स्टॉप हो गए तो क्या होगा? या ऑब्वियसली जो मैन ह्यूमन से इट बिकम दैट. सो हार्ट is the main pumping organ of our body. Heart is the main pumping organ of our body. So you feel our heartbeat at the which sides? Left sides. Okay, when you put your hands on left sides, you feel the heartbeat. So human heart is the muscular pumping organ. Muscular means what? It's made up with the muscles. That's why called a muscular pumping organs. So it is located in the chest cavity and slightly toward the left. It located to the chest cavity. This is the chest part of our body. Okay, so this inside our body the number of the bones are also present, and on the chest also there is a bones is present, and that called the ribs. उसको क्या कहते हैं? Ribs. So ribs ऐसे अरेंज रहते हैं अपने बॉडी में, उसको एक केज लाइक स्ट्रक्चर बनाते हैं. जैसे पिंजरा रहता है ना, हाँ वैसे उसमें वो हमारे बॉडी में यहाँ पे चेस्ट में ऐसे स्केलेट जो बोन्स रहते हैं वो अटैच रहते हैं, उसके वजह से एक केज लाइक स्ट्रक्चर तैयार होता है. सो इन दैट केज लाइक स्ट्रक्चर्स दैट हार्ट इज प्रेजेंट. सो इट प्रोटेक्ट अवर हार्ट. ओके, it protect our heart. So generally in adult, okay, in adult the human heart size as like a fist. ये मुट्ठी है ना अपनी, उतनी उसकी साइज रहती है अडल्ट ह्यूमन्स। ओके, जितने अपनी फिस्ट है उतनी इसकी साइज रहती है अडल्ट स्टेज में। ओके, सो इट इज प्रोटेक्टेड बाय द आल्सो रिब केज, जैसे मैंने अभी आपको बताया इट इज प्रोटेक्टेड बाय रिब केज। सो जनरली हार्ट इज अ डबल स्टोरी house. The heart is built like a double story house. Why double story house? जैसे कि डबल एक के ऊपर एक ऐसे बिल्डिंग्स रहती है ना, फर्स्ट फ्लोर सेकंड फ्लोर। ओके, दैट्स लाइक heart is a double story house. I show the diagram of the heart. See, I hope everybody watch it carefully. See, this is the structure of the heart. Okay, so here that heart has a two chambers on each story. जो डबल दो स्टोरेज रहते हैं उसमें टू चेम्बर्स रहते हैं। ओके, ऑन द लोअर साइड्स, सी दिस इज ऑन द लोअर साइड्स द राइट वेंट्रिकल्स एंड लेफ्ट वेंट्रिकल्स। ओके, राइट वेंट्रिकल्स एंड लेफ्ट वेंट्रिकल्स, एंड on the upper sides there is a right auricles and left auricles. Okay, so this is the structures of the heart. What? Heart is a double story house. Okay, is built like a double story house. So with the two chamber in each story, एक storage में two chambers है। Okay, so on lower sides क्या रहते हैं? Ventricles, and on upper side there is a auricles. So उसका स्ट्रक्चर्स आपको फिफ्थ में डिटेल में नहीं है, सिर्फ आपको यहाँ पे ध्यान रखना है कि हार्ट जो है एक डबल स्टोरी हाउस के जैसा है और उसमें टू वेंट्रिकल्स रहते हैं एंड टू ऑरिकल्स रहते हैं। ओके, डू यू अंडरस्टूड इट? सो नेक्स्ट इज द ब्लड वेसल्स। नेक्स्ट इज द ब्लड वेसल्स। So you know, in our body the blood is carried from one part to another part, means from heart to all parts of our body. So this transport of the blood is only possible due to the blood vessel. blood vessel के यूज से ही हम वो इजीली कर सकते हैं हमारी बॉडी। ओके, जैसे कि हम इन आवर होम there is a transport of water from our main tank to each room. ओके, जैसे कि हमारे घर में बॉडी की वाटर की टैंक रहती है, वहाँ से हम पाइपलाइन थ्रू हर एक रूम में किचन में हम जैसे कि वाटर ट्रांसपोर्ट करते हैं। एज लाइक इन अवर बॉडी the blood vessels are there. Okay, and these are connected to each other's network of like tubes. So mainly there are the three types of blood vessels. कौन कौन से टाइप्स है देखो। See, I rub that third part. See, blood vessels. Generally three parts of blood vessels. Which artery, second vein, and third capillaries. Third capillaries. These are the three blood vessels and is useful to transport the blood. Which artery, A-R-T-E-R-Y, artery, V-E-I-N, vein, and capillaries, C-A-P-I-L-L-A-R-I-E-S, capillaries. See, in this lesson some words are very harder spelling, so you should learn it. Okay, so these are the three blood vessels in our body. So see, we learn it one by one. Arteries. Arteries are the thick walled blood vessels. Arteries structures is something thick, and these carry the blood from heart to parts of our body. क्या करता है arteries? Transport the blood, but how? From heart to parts of body. To parts of body. Heart to parts of body. Okay, but they carry only the pure blood and oxygenated blood. Okay, जो हार्ट में हमारा ब्लड प्योर होता है. Okay, so these arteries carry only oxygenated blood. Is the main difference between the arteries and that veins. Okay, their functions are different. So remember it. I again repeat. Artery carry the blood from heart to parts of our body, but which is oxygenated blood. Okay, and vein also carry the blood, but how? From body to they back, which carry the blood back to the heart, means from parts of the body to heart. उसमें वो reverse pass करता है. Okay, it pass the reverse blood, means from parts to heart. Okay, means it carry the deoxygenated blood, means जो deoxygenated means जो impure blood है वो वेन फिर से हार्ट में ट्रांसपोर्ट करता है उसको प्योर करने के लिए. ओके, सो इट्स द डिफरेंस बिटवीन द आर्टरीज एंड वेन्स. आर्टरी कैरीज ऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड, vein carries deoxygenated blood. Okay, so do you understood this? See, main difference. So vein is also, artery is the thick wall cell and vein is the thin wall cell. Okay, is the thin wall cells. And last one, capillaries. So capillaries are very thin blood vessels. Capillaries are very thin blood vessels, and a network of capillary forms the connection between arteries and veins. देखो, आर्टरी और वेन्स को कनेक्ट कौन करता है? कैपिलरीज. ओके, आर्टरी एंड वेन्स को कनेक्ट कौन करता है? कैपिलरीज. एंड इज द नेटवर्क ऑफ द फाइन ट्यूब लाइक स्ट्रक्चर्स. ओके, ट्यूब लाइक स्ट्रक्चर्स. So that's why artery and vein is connected with each others. So this is the three organs of the circulatory system. So today only we studied the heart and blood vessels. Okay, heart and blood vessels. So heart, in the heart we studied about the structures. Heart is a double storage house and it contains the two chambers. Okay, so on lower sides there is a ventricles and upper sides is the auricles. Okay, and blood vessels have the three main types: arteries, veins, capillaries. Okay, artery, veins, capillaries. And arteries carry the blood from heart to parts of body. Okay, and vein carry the blood from parts of body to heart, means reverse. blood के साथ है veins में reverse. Okay, and artery carry the which, yes, oxygenated blood. Artery carries the oxygenated blood and vein carry the deoxygenated blood to the hearts. Okay, so see on page number 15 the difference are given here. See, I read it, so you listen it. See, first difference between the arteries and veins. आर्टेरी कैरी प्योर एंड ऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड. जैसे कि मैंने अभी बताया वैसा फर्स्ट डिफरेंस क्या है? कैरी प्योर एंड ऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड. वेन्स, वेन्स में फर्स्ट पॉइंट क्या आएगा? कैरी इम्प्योर एंड डीऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड. क्योंकि ये फर्स्ट डिफरेंस हो गया दोनों के बीच में का. यस, एंड सेकेंड, कैरी ब्लड अवे फ्रॉम द हार्ट. सेकेंड पॉइंट क्या है? कैरी ब्लड अवे फ्रॉम द heart, and in the veins carry blood into the heart. Then आर्टरीज की वॉल्स कैसे बताई मैंने, या थिक वॉल कैसे रहती है, थिक वॉल्स, एंड वेन्स आर द थिन वॉल्स. सो इन आर्टरीज walls are present and veins walls are, sorry, in arteries walls are absent and veins are, in the veins the walls are present. Fifth, blood flows under high pressure. जो arteries में blood flow होता है is in a high pressures, and in the veins blood flows under the low pressure. So this is the difference. So ये जो difference है मैं write करके भेजूंगी आपको बाद में. So but here today only we studied the heart and blood vessels. So in the next lesson, sorry, in the next period we see the next point which are blood. Okay, next जो organs है circulatory system का वो हम study करेंगे. Okay, thank you.